Because yesterday we just visit along with the DC and SP and the other officials from the district administration, just visit because as of now everything is okay. There is no more tension in the area. So that's just also at the same time is my own constituency. Just visit it to meet and to create a confidence with the people of the area especially. And also I assure them it's a full protection from the government for their safety. Concern point about they request the government to put a force there 24 hours and we did it. And point number two, that is a little bit not in order, so some of our people who are still having a body feeling that side they are still fear to go on for their activities. So we already instruct the DC bodies to have a meeting with the local people to solve this matter at the earliest possible. They should not be disturbed to attend their activities daily in that respective area. Force there, our force is still there and Assam is still there. So at least to avoid anything happening. Both sides, even the force from Meghalaya is there, Assam is also there. So at least maybe when things is normal, things as of now, both sides forces there, from Meghalaya side and from Assam side also. Obviously. Even I told my DC is always intact with them. There should be nothing, should be unfortunate incidents. They are updated every now and then, and that's why as of now the institution there is normal, no tension anymore. So yes, there is some parish level discussed, so at the state level. So first I will try to connect with the other chairman and compete from that side, and we will take a call. We will try to make things normal as usual while we are waiting for the permanent solution with the border issue settlement.